Poco X5 after 6 months. Anong mga natuklasan ko dito sa phone na ito along the way na ginagamit ko siya as my main daily driver? In this video, papakita ko sa inyo what are the changes na nangyari from MIUI 13 to 14, what are the things to expect after using this phone for 6 months down the road since na nirelease tong phone na ito. Did the camera improve? Did the gaming improve? Sasabihin ko sa inyo lahat, pati ang updated price. Simulan natin. Hi guys, ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. This is the Poco X5. And ang kanya 620 gigs of storage na formerly 14,999. Mabibili dito right now at 10,990. It's a big price slash from Poco. And this coming Poco Festival, I'm pretty sure na meron pang mga price drop na mangyayari. I'll be posting the link on the description box below. Now, itong phone na ito does come in 3 color. Meron siyang green, blue, and black. And hawak natin is the blue color, which probably for me is the best color variant from the Poco X5 series. Now, down the road, gamit-gamit ko itong phone na ito inside my pocket, inside my sling bag, inside my backpack. Bitbit ko to wherever I go. And anong mga natuklasan ko during this 6-month span? So, itong phone na ito, initially lumabas to using MIUI 13. So, nag-upgrade siya to MIUI 14 roughly after a month and a half of usage with this phone. So, the things that changed dito is ang kanya UI became a little bit more snappier than nung MIUI 13. And I would say na I did feel a little bit faster pag open ng mga apps. But normally, pag nag-upgrade mga phones si Xiaomi, it does suffer a little bit sa kanyang battery. And this one was not an exception. So medyo parang feel ko nabawasan konti ang kanyang battery life. If I recall it right, itong phone na ito during the initial test using the MIUI 13 was able to keep me roughly mga near 18 to 19 hours ang kanyang screen on time using the PC Mark na battery stress test. So after ng upgrade niya, 17 hours and 11 minutes na lang kaya niya ibigay sa akin. And this is rated under 50% brightness and 60 Hz ang kanyang screen refresh rate. But nevertheless, I would say na still okay. Makuna pa rin naman ng battery. But of course, mas makunat pa dati nung MIUI 13 siya. But of course, that's still a 2 hours difference. For me, medyo big deal na rin siya. Kasi probably bakit ko nakuha ganitong result, maybe it's because of course 6 months ko na rin siyang gamit. Every day sa charge, discharge, charge, discharge. Medyo lumiit kunti ang kanyang battery capacity. Now on daily average usage naman, well, honestly, kaya naman na magtagal ng 1 whole day, sometimes 1.5 day, kaya naman na magtagal. I have no problem using this phone as my daily driver for everyday usage. Now, not only that this one was upgraded from MIUI 13 to MIUI 14, but it also upgraded from Android 12 to Android 13 along the way nung ginagamit ko siya. And alam naman natin lahat, this one has a Snapdragon 695 na 5G chip inside. And gusto lang natin pakita sa inyo ang Antutu benchmark niya, no? Which I did think it did improve a little bit over the past na Antutu benchmark na ginawa natin. And this one using Antutu version 10 for 169,000 points na nakuha niya. And if kung interested kayo makita ka ng breakdown score, this is what you'll see. Though yung jump from Antutu version 9 to Antutu version 10 did improve for some of the Snapdragon chip, and this one did get a little bit bump up sa kanyang benchmark score. And sinalang ko siya sa wildlife na stress test and medyo decent naman ka ng score na nakuha niya dito. And to give you a quick refresher, ito ang score niya dito sa Geekbench na CPU benchmark. And ito naman ang kanyang score sa kanyang GPU benchmark. Looking naman sa kanyang thermals, okay naman. I was able to get a decent 86% na kanyang maximum performance, which is quite good. Now, one of the best things na meron dito sa phone na ito is ang kanyang Super AMOLED display. And the black is blacker, the screen is punchy, and well, watching all of my favorite dito na shorts, na reels, and watching videos on YouTube, I can say very enjoyable. Probably the only thing that might hinder this phone na to give you that maximum na entertainment experience is dahil isa lang ka ng loud firing speaker dito sa ilalim. Now, for me, medyo nabitin ako dito sa kanyang sounds. Siguro, i-sound test lang natin right now para mapakinggan nyo kung gaano ka-okay ang kanyang sounds. Okay ba papasaba sa inyo? For me, medyo nabitin ako. Here goes. Well, ako, nabibitin talaga sa kanyang sound. Medyo mahina and probably pagdating sa gaming, mabibitin ka pa rin. And dahil nabibitin na ako sa kanyang sound, kaya binili ko to. Itong FIIL na CC Pro 2. what's really important dito sa akin is very portable. Itong TWS na binili natin. And it's really nice, no? Kasi sobrang liit niya and very classy siya. Yung kanyang gunmetal finish looks very nice. And what's really stand out din dito sa kanya is meron siyang active noise cancelling at its size. Now, normally, iba makita mo, may clamshell sila. But ito, ang simple lang kanyang design. Ganito lang siya. Hindi mo na kailangan buksan ng kanyang clamshell. All you need to do is bubunutin mo na siya. And you can pop it to your ears. Just like this. So, another thing na gusto ko rin sa kanya is very comfy siyang suotin. It's just snug fit, lalo if you're playing all of your favorite games dito sa kanya. Meron siya low latency, giving you the better experience while gaming on your phones like si Poco X5. Now, itong TWS na ito can connect up to 2 devices at the same time. And what's also okay this kanya is meron din siyang high-res audio support. So, pwede kayo mag-play ng mga LDAC na music ninyo. So, I've been using this for the past 2 months and I would highly recommend you to buy one of these buds. Lalo na if you're somebody who likes to listen music, this one is probably one of the best investment that you can have for your smartphone. Together for your music tripping, listen to Spotify, playing your favorite games, panalong-panalo to. And kung interested kayo malaman kung saan nyo pwede mabili ito, ang FIIL CC Pro 2, link on the description. Now, down the road, nagkaroon naman several updates sa phone na ito. So, i-check lang natin quickly ang kanyang mga camera shots kung did it give me that a little bit more improvement over sa mga nakuha natin during the first review natin si Poco X5. So, we know that this one has triple camera setup, 48MP na main sensor, 8MP na ultra-wide, and 2MP na macro lens. Sa kanyang harap, there's a 13MP na front-facing camera. And kanyang limitation, of course, alam naman natin na kaya lang nito up to 1080p and 30fps, both sa front and sa back. Now, taking this phone for a spin on outdoor condition, I would say okay naman ka ng mga pictures. Ang bilis naman namang focus, just like before. But there are times na pag in-on mo yung AI, mapapansin mo, no, there are some pictures na saturated. Then, at the same time, meron din picture of the same moment na hindi saturated. Like ito. Ito saturated, pero ito, hindi saturated. Same photo. Halos magkasunod lang siya ng shot, double snap lang. But probably it's the working of the AI. Feel ko, medyo nag-improve naman ng konti. Maybe at the slightest siguro. And probably the improvement na dito is a little bit faster mag-focus. Ang kanyang rear camera as opposed to nung simula. Medyo sometimes naghahanap pa siya ng info-focus. But this time around, it's a little bit more faster based on my observation down the 6 months time. Now, there are times na nakakuha ko ng mga pictures na medyo a little bit more overexposed, but there are times na okay naman ang mga photos on outdoors. Siguro ko sobrang liwanag ang araw, medyo hirap lang itong phone na ito. Now, if you bring the phone indoors, okay, maganda naman ka ng mga photos na nakuha and bigyan mo ng tamang lighting, was able to enhance some of these photos on indoor condition. And I was quite surprised din naman na parang nag-improve na siya a little bit of during siguro mga firmware updates niya. Probably the only thing na hindi nag-improve dito sa kanya is ang kanyang front-facing camera, which of course, medyo hirap pa rin siya sa low light. And pagdating naman sa outdoor, well, okay naman, decent naman mga shot, but of course, don't expect too much from its front-facing camera din. Now, ang kanyang video recording capabilities, both front and back, well, honestly, 1080p and 30fps, don't expect too much. I can say na medyo shaky. And ang kanyang front-facing camera, medyo hirap siya pag medyo low light. But ang kanyang rear cameras, for me, quite so-so. Okay lang naman. Was able to take in some good videos and there are sometimes na medyo may kunting sablay din naman. So, during this 6-month span, ang dami kong games nilaro dito. Playing some titles like si Asphalt 9, PUBG, Call of Duty Mobile, si Genshin Impact, Tower Fantasy. Nilaro ko to 5 games para mapakita ko sa inyo ang kanyang performance. And para masulit nyo ang gaming, kailangan mo talaga i-turn on ang kanyang game space. So, lahat nandito, nakatago lahat ng aking games. Honestly, feel ko nung nag-upgrade siya to MIUI 14, some of these games became more efficient. Mas okay ang kanyang gaming. Probably ang pinaka nag-benefit dito si CODM and si PUBG. Mas naging smoother palalo ang experience ko dito sa dalawang game na ito, no? But of course, syempre kailangan mo i-turn on ang kanyang game boost mode para medyo mas ma-feel mo even though naka-max na ang kanyang settings. Yung game boost mode gives you that extra kick to give you that higher FPS para medyo mas enjoy mo ang gaming. Si Call of Duty Mobile and si PUBG plus si Asphalt 9, ito tatlong game na ito is pretty much okay. Along the way, sarap mo ilaro, no? And nilaro ko ang ranked matches, ang mga battle royals dito. It's quite good. Now, pagdating naman sa Genshin Impact and sa Tower of Fantasy, not quite sure kung nag-improve siya or hindi. Sinay ko pa rin siya isagad and nilagay ko pa rin siya game boost mode. Pag during heavy battles ng dalawang game na ito, mafe-feel mo talaga, nagfe-frame drop, naglalag talaga siya. Hindi mo maiwasan kasi 695 Snapdragon, hindi talaga siya pang heavy gaming. But if you lower down yung kanyang graphical settings, tapos in-apply mo pa ng game boost mode, I do feel there's quite a improvement over nung sa MIUI 13 siya. It was able to give me that a little bit more smoother experience. But mapapansin mo na ang init dito sa likod is medyo umaabot ng around mga 45 to 46 degrees Celsius. So having a game cooler would definitely solve your heating problem. So guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa Poco X5 for 6 months down the road? Would I recommend tong phone na ito as your next daily driver? The price drop is quite significant. 14,999 naging 10,990. Snapdragon 695 is quite a efficient chip. 5G na siya. So, you have fast internet connection. Be it Globe Smart, na-try naman natin. Okay naman siya. Probably hindi ko lang na-try is yung 5G ni dito, which I think hindi pa masyado nag-roll out to many places dito sa Philippines. Connecting to Wi-Fi, okay naman siya. Mabilis naman ang sagap niya sa internet. Walang maging problema. Hindi naman siya hirap sumagap ng mga Wi-Fi signal. Ang kanyang Bluetooth is also okay at Bluetooth 5.1. Kaya naman connect to any TWS na tinry ko dito sa phone na ito. And probably the winning aspect dito para sa akin sa phone na ito is ang kanyang portability. Small, slim, and Super AMOLED na kanyang display is probably the biggest takeaway para sa 10990 is the display. So guys, if you want to know kung saan pwede mabili itong phone na ito officially during the POCO Festival, link on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, hit the bell icon para hindi naman miss mga future uploads here on my channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.